So far we have this much cut already, and we still got quite a lot to finish cutting. So this is my soil sample right here. I'm about to sample this soil, and I'm gonna mark it on my app. I have an app that I'm gonna use in order to mark the location, so I know where I got my soil sample from. And I'm gonna use these flags also, so I know where I got my soil sample from. Alright, so I'm about to stop recording so I can get back to work. Just had to give you guys an update real fast. And as you can see, they about to get back to their work, about to start finish bush hogging the property.